Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest power-related causes. Remove the batteries now, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and reinsert them paying attention to the plus and minus markings. This resets the remote's microcontroller. While done, inspect contacts for white or green corrosion and clean gently with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab so the circuit can make contact. Also, move any objects that block the TV's IR sensor and wipe the sensor window. Transmission fails when the line of sight is Once the batteries and contacts are handled, verify the remote actually sends a signal. Point the remote at a phone camera and press a few buttons. If you see a blinking light through the camera, the IR LED is working. If not, try fresh high-drain alkaline batteries. Next, if your remote is programmable or uses RF/Bluetooth, follow the TV's pairing sequence. Hold the indicated buttons until the TV acknowledges. If pairing fails repeatedly, remove power from the TV for 30 seconds and retry the pairing steps. To finish, open the remote only if you're comfortable, reseat ribbon cables, inspect button membranes, and look for cracked solder joints on the circuit board. Reflow small joints if you know how. Clean button contacts with isopropyl and let dry fully before reassembly. If you need a quick workaround, download the manufacturer's TV remote app or program a universal remote to confirm the issue is hardware-related. If all else fails, order an OEM replacement or seek a technician for board-level repair. One key tips: test with a known good remote to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.